Imagine a portable that fixes all of our problems. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 promises that. Samsung shocked the world with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, a big step forward for its main foldable, and the market loved it. The Fold 8 has some big shoes to fill, and early rumors say it might be even better than people expect. One of the biggest problems with the Fold 7 was its battery life and charging speed, which Samsung didn't really fix last time. But reports are making the Fold 8 look very different. The Zeco Chamber says that Samsung is redesigning its internal architecture and using every inch of room more wisely than ever before. That means a bigger battery and faster charging can fit in the phone without making it bigger. Even though no official numbers have come out, these rumors suggest that the phone will have 45-watt wired fast charging, which is almost twice as fast as the Fold 7's 25-watt charge speed. Samsung's Fold line has had the same 4,400 mAh battery for years, and it's time for a new one. Some people say that the Fold 8 could have a 5,000 mAh monster. Samsung has already shown that it can do amazing things with tech. The Galaxy Z Trifold is Samsung's first trifold phone. It has a 5,600 mAh battery that can charge at 45 watts, but it still only measures 3.9 mm at its smallest point. Samsung is the only company that can bring this magic to the Fold 8. Fingers crossed, this could change everything. Samsung looks like they're going to really get the foldable race going. 2026 is going to be the year that the company works harder than ever. The pressure is on now that Apple is about to launch its first folding iPhone. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 broke pre-order records in a lot of places, but Samsung wants more. A new story from The Bell, shared on Juano's Rev on X, says that Samsung wants to sell 6.7 million foldable phones next year. That's about a 10% increase from the 2025 list. Samsung is working hard on the Galaxy Z Flip 8. People who know say that the changes will be big. The phone is expected to come in mid-2026 with a smaller, lighter design and a more refined form factor that could help Samsung stay ahead of Apple. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.